Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. I'm really excited that we're here today. I have no idea what with my hair. I went ahead and lightened my hair to level 10, which I will insert a picture here somewhere, somehow. And then because I was bored with it already at the same level 10, I went ahead and toned it, and it is like a grayish platinum. This light in my bathroom always makes it look yellower than it is. Anyway, so I have several colors here. I have Purple Rain, Aquamarine. This is like, I don't know what color this is. Magenta, I think. Poseidon, no, Phantom Green. Enchanted Forest. I'm not doing very good at this. I'm sorry guys. I'm really terrible with cameras. Shocking Blue. I have a tiny bit of yellow here and I haven't decided, but I think I'm probably gonna make an orange with it. And then this here is what's left of a fuchsia by Wella, I think. Yeah, Color Charm paints. So these are the colors. I'm gonna mix up some semblance of something. I've got my plates here to put my little palette on, and then I haven't decided if I want to do roots or tips. My kids are fighting, so let me pause that for a moment. Let's get started. My name is Erin, for those of you that don't know me. I am a little bit new to this whole thing. I sort of just make up my way however I feel like it. Some days I do cleaning videos, some days I do makeup and hair videos. You guys seem to like the cleaning and the hair videos the most, so those get put up a little more often, but we put a lot of lifestyle stuff up there. My kids and I, we just want to share our lives with you, and I have a lot of fun doing it. So I hope that you will take a quick second and subscribe, hit like, share the video with your friends, and let's just have a good time. What do you think? I am going to wear this little cape here to not dye my shoulders a myriad of colors, but it usually doesn't last very long because I just get overheated. And then because it's hot as all get out today, I'm going to also put this up. And so you guys are going to have to deal with me looking between you and the mirror, which is behind you. And probably lots of kids interacting, but you know what? That's what we do, right? Okay, let's see. I'm going to take some of this Purple Rain and just kind of put a dot of it on here. I think I'm going to end up diluting all of this, so I'm just going to put a couple colors on here because I really don't want it to be like this dark. I think next to purple on one side, I'm going to have the pink. And that's kind of more purple than pink, I guess. What is? I don't remember what color that was when I put it on, but apparently it's purpley pink. I don't know. Looks kind of like Manic Panic Hot Pink, which makes sense because that's a color I use a lot. I wanted you to bring, hold on, I am trying guys, I am trying. Okay, so this color is a lot more purple. I don't want to use that one. I have decided not to use this one. This is the pink and the purple. I hope you can see that. I have a really hard time seeing what you guys are seeing. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is maybe part out a line and then like this, I think. Because, and then I think I need to go like probably 4 inches. Because if I go too low, it'll just be like the very tips. And like, I think it won't be so like, I think this will be good. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it has been an hour and it is pretty much dried, crispy, sticking straight out, as you can see. But I took a break. I was cooking dinner. I'm really trying to get some good light to show you guys. This is so pretty. I'm still downstairs cooking, so I haven't gone upstairs to look in the mirror. But from what I can tell, it's gonna be so pretty. I don't know. I can't. I am once again outside trying to get a good picture in a not sunny day. So I just wanted to come on, show you what it looks like at the end. And you know what, guys? I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I love it. So thanks for watching. I hope you click like, subscribe, share the video, show your friends, and remember that you are loved, you are chosen, and God created you for a reason.